We need to align them so they don't overlap.
My name is Abjaliv Shamil Kazimagomedovich. I am a software engineer at the company AERONOVA. Today we soldered connectors for special chips that serve as adapters from RS485, which is a standard to TTL. This board is produced to create a common bus for controlling the AERONOVA 01. This bus will transmit signals to the microcontrollers that control this device. This is my first day at work. This task was my first, and as I work, I will get up to speed.
And I also thought, since we don't have mass production, not even serial, we need several of each sample.
You need to touch it, Sergey. Which one? This one is probably lighter, right? I still don't get it, you know.
Wait, you need to use the same finger. Like, don't give hints.
Everything that could happen, happened. That's just why they go for daily testing.
We just recently had our very first successful test of the brand new, state-of-the-art fan that will be installed on our highly advanced, autonomous unmanned airship named Nova 01. This fan, and all of its parts, are entirely and carefully printed in our 3D lab under the diligent general supervision of my colleague Sergey and the team. The fan worked for 30 minutes, and I don't see any visual damage, so we can say this is a victory. The next step is to conduct comprehensive tests on the fan for a total of a full day. It will simulate operation on the airship to ensure reliability. It will work in intervals, approximately 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off for a prolonged period. This will be one part. We also want to record its operating characteristics, such as pressure and flow rate. The fan will supply air from this ring. Air will enter here. We will measure the pressure here. From here, the air will exit through this sleeve. We will insert a measuring nozzle into it, which is currently being printed in our 3D lab, and based on the pressure we measure, we will obtain the characteristics of pressure and flow rate. We will have exactly 4 measuring nozzles for 4 points.
The tests conducted extensively and the comprehensive results gathered from them will allow us to prepare thoroughly for the actual launch of the aircraft.